Scalping may seem complicated, especially if you don't know the key principles. Many traders are convinced that it's impossible to make serious money through scalping. However, there are plenty of examples of successful scalpers who consistently earn profits, even hundreds of thousands of dollars per month. The goal of this video is to show that scalp can be effective if you learn a few key tips. We'll debunk myths, compare scalping to swing trading, discuss the role of education and having a playbook, and look into why some traders yield huge profits while others do not. In the end, you'll learn one key principle that makes any trading style profitable. Subscribe, hit the like button, and share this video with those who are unsure or just starting out. The myth that scalping doesn't bring in big money doesn't match reality. Many traders earn substantial amounts precisely on lower time frames. Both scalping and swing trading can be profitable but suit different people and situations. Proper education and learning from professionals help form an objective attitude toward different trading styles. Not all trades are equal. Successful traders focus on A-plus setups instead of trying to trade every price tick. Beginning scalpers often fail due to a lack of strategy, rules, and understanding of market conditions. A documented playbook with clear rules is the key to organized and consistent trading. A community, mentorship, and the exchange of experience accelerate development and help avoid common mistakes. Scalping can yield significant profits and dispels the myth that you can't consistently make money on lower time frames. Both styles, swing and scalping, are effective if you have an edge and understand your role in the market. Learning from proven experts helps remove distortions and stereotypes, giving you a balanced understanding of trading. Quality of trades is more important than quantity. Focusing on A-plus setups increases your chances of success. Understanding market conditions and volatile instruments is the foundation for effective scalping. A playbook is a roadmap that gives traders confidence and a system for decision-making. Support from the community and access to professional expertise make the path to profitable trading easier. When it comes to scalping, many traders immediately picture chaos. Rapid entries and exits, constant stress, and minimal profits. But in reality, there are traders who earn hundreds of thousands of dollars a month using only scalping. This is not fairy tale or advertising trick. These people have found approaches, tools, and conditions under which their scalping becomes highly profitable. Skeptics are sure that lower time frames are just market noise, but they forget the key condition: skillful selection of trades. Comparing scalping and swing trading, we see that both styles offer ways to make money. A swing trader holds a position for days or weeks, aiming for a large move. A scalper focuses on short but clearly defined moments, sharp liquidity spikes, news-driven impulses, strong bursts of volatility. Both can earn millions if they find their niche and follow proven rules. Many beginners cling to biases. They believe only what one mentor said or what they saw in a single video. But the trading world is huge. There are incredibly successful scalpers as well as highly profitable swing traders. The broader your outlook, the easier is it to accept that scalping is not a forbidden technique, but a real tool. At the same time, it's important to understand that without education and learning from professionals, you'll wander in the dark, relying on rumors and prejudices. For me personally, a major breakthrough in understanding scalping came from learning from recognized experts. I studied books, took courses, and watched hours of recording from those who regularly succeed on lower time frames. This helped me get rid of stereotypes and see scalping as a full-fledged style, not just pointless fuss. First, the understanding that you can be profitable for years. This means scalping is not a one-time shot, but a system capable of making money long-term. Second, volume. If you have a well-defined trade model, you can increase position size and boost potential profit. Third, the right trade selection. Experienced scalpers don't chase every price move. They pick A-plus setups, the highest quality opportunities. Why do so many beginners fail then? One of the main problems is choosing the wrong instruments and lacking volatility. Scalping shines brightest in active markets, where price moves swiftly and clearly. One of the main problems is choosing the wrong instruments and lacking volatility. Scalping shines brightest in active markets where price moves swiftly and clearly. If you try to scalp a narrow, sluggish market with no news or catalysts, you'll face chaotic algorithms and stagnation. So the first tip: look for a catalyst for movement. It could be company news, economic reports, or geopolitical events that can sharply move the price. When an instrument explodes due to fresh information, a scalper gets a chance to take a piece of the pie with minimal risk. A playbook is a collection of your techniques, strategies, and criteria for entry and exit. When you know what you need for entry, what the ideal setup looks like, where you place your stop and take profit, you trade consciously. This helps reduce emotional influence and organize your trading. Third tip: don't try to outsmart the market in calm conditions. Algorithms and large funds operate constantly, but the real chance arises when major players step in, creating impulse moves. Without a catalyst, you become a victim of noise and random fluctuations, and an informed scalper starts guessing rather than trading. Fourth tip: follow the larger trend. Even if you're trading on a 1-minute chart, consider the context of higher time frames. When the daily or hourly chart shows a clear uptrend, scalping in the direction becomes much easier. You're not swimming against the current, you're using the general trend supported by big players. Fifth tip: consider your character and thinking speed. Scalping requires quick reactions, split-second decisions, and the ability to concentrate under pressure. If you find it hard to make fast decisions or prefer to analyze the situation longer, maybe swing trading suits you better. But if you like dynamic action, short-term impulses, and immediate market feedback, scalping could be your ideal style. What unites all trading styles? Having a real edge. Without an edge, any strategy, be it scalping or swing, turns into a gamble. If you have a statistically proven advantage supported by an understanding of the market, your approach becomes systematic and profitable. Education and practice are two main factors of success. Read trading books, study the experience of those who have already achieved results, exchanging experiences, discussing strategies, and jointly analyzing trades allow you to accelerate your development and avoid many mistakes. Even if you're watching this video months after its release, you can subscribe to notifications about future events to stay updated on new topics and approaches. Ultimately, scalping is neither a label nor a verdict, it's just another tool. If you learn to use it correctly, it can bring you steady income. If you realize that scalping isn't your style, you can always master other approaches. The main thing is not to limit yourself with prejudice, but to test hypotheses in practice. Remember what we aimed to show in this video. Scalping can be hard until you learn a few key tips. You also understand that without a clear plan and edge, the market becomes a casino. Learning is your best ally, and practice is your most reliable tool. Thank you for watching until the end. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share this video. May your market understanding expand, your skills grow, and your results pleasantly surprise you time after time. See you in the next episodes.